So before we get into today's announcement, today's big news, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I have to say that it has been really amazing, and I feel like I'm learning so much from you guys, and I really appreciate it when you tell me what you think is not so good and also what you think is great, because all I want to do is create really amazing content for you guys. So I don't really sit down and talk to the camera that often about myself. I feel like I do a lot of graphic design talking videos and videos with a lot of voiceover, but a lot of you guys have been asking me what I've been up to these days. And if you are subscribed and you follow me on Twitter and Instagram, you know that I live in Ukraine, Rivne city. I'm a freelance graphic designer, and recently finally I have launched my own website. It's called artolka.com. Check it out if you haven't seen it yet. You can look at my works there, and I also try to post some amazing content like my blog where I share my life in Ukraine here with all of you guys. So yeah, it's really fun. Check it out. Apart from my website, you have been asking me to make some logo design tutorials, and my first reaction was like, I'm creating my videos for you to give some inspiration and motivation so that you can learn how to do it by yourself. And if you don't know how to do it by yourself, you can always Google it, and I think that's the great thing about internet, that you can teach yourself so many things like I did it. I had no one here to teach me, I had no one here to help me. It was by myself, and I cannot tell you how many days and nights I've spent researching. And if it's something that is really important to you, you will want to research it and you'll become like obsessed with learning more. But because I've done it by myself, I know now that it took me a while to learn from my mistakes, and I don't want you to waste your time. I just want to help you. I just want to share more of my graphic design knowledge with you. So I decided that I would make a video series. I will show you how to do really basic stuff, the stuff that I learned how to do, and that kind of, you know, a mystery to a lot of people. So I'm gonna be doing graphic design tutorials weekly, and my tutorials are gonna be a little bit longer than my previous videos because I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I'm doing step by step, and I'll try to be very detailed about it. Also, once in a while I'm gonna post like my lifestyle videos and my graphic design talking inspirational and motivational videos because I enjoy doing them. So yeah, that's it. This is my big announcement. News, just come next week and watch my graphic design tutorials, and I really hope that you will appreciate it, because I definitely appreciated it when I learned how to do this properly. So yeah, stay tuned, come back next week, and bye!